Legends aren't born in easy victories, they rise from the ashes. The greatest stories, they are not written in gold, they are carved in scars. वेलकम टू टेल्स ऑफ कमबैक, एक ऐसी सीरीज जहां पे हम पलटेंगे इतिहास के वो पन्ने और ढूंढेंगे उन कहानियों को जो हारने के बाद जीती गई थी। बिकॉज समटाइम्स द फॉलन aren't forgotten because they chose to rise up. Today, on the inauguration of Tales of Comeback, we will start it by Juventus versus Atletico de Madrid 2019 Champions League quarter-final. This comeback tells us what a single man can do, how much power one man can hold. Day 20 February 2019. Madrid का beautiful शहर, beautiful food, beautiful halls, beautiful sceneries and some beautiful chicks. You fall for that, brother. At Wanda Metropolitano, the first leg of quarterfinals. Juventus vs Atletico Madrid. Ronaldo was playing in Spain, but this time not in fight, in black and white. Ronaldo this summer joined Juventus for a hefty fee of 100 million. At that time, when you pay 100 million for a player, you expect him to carry your team to glory. Metropolitano was buzzing. The Atletico fans were hostile. This was not gonna be an easy ride for the Lions of Juventus, but they had no idea what was about to happen that night. So the match began. Both teams landed their strongest lineups and were ready to go toe to toe against each other. Chaos in the box and Jose Maria Jimenez took advantage and took Atletico to 1-0 lead at Metropolitano. And just in a matter of time, they conceded one more, and this time it was Diogo Godin who took the lead. And after this, Simeone did something like this.
Referee, this shouldn't happen.
Juventus fans, the hopes were crushed. They thought it was over because तुम्हें भी पता है मुझे भी पता है एटलेटिको से खेलना मतलब मौत के मुंह में हाथ डालना। सिमियो ने पूरे 12 बंदे बैठाता है बॉक्स में अगर एक गोल का एडवांटेज होता है तो, एंड हियर दे गॉट टू. रोनाल्डो वाज क्वाइट. He tried but he failed, and as a result
Cristiano, ¿qué? Ahora 5 y a dormir, ¿eh? Cristiano 5, ¿qué?
Llorar, a llorar, a dormir, a llorar. Ya está, 2-0, ni manita ni nada, 2-0 y fuera.
it was not Juventus who lost to Atletico Madrid, it was Ronaldo who lost to Atletico. And in frustration, Ronaldo did this. अब बारी थी सेकेंड लेग की, बट उससे पहले हम देखेंगे तैयारी जीत की. ये बोनविटा का ऐड नहीं है. दिस इज नॉट स्पॉन्सर्ड बाय बोनविटा. Ronaldo and Juventus kept training. They were chasing a goal which they also didn't knew he could achieve. वो कहते हैं ना, कर्म करते रहो, फल की चिंता मत करो, क्योंकि कर्म करोगे तभी फल मिलेगा. And that's what the Juventus team were doing. It was war that was waiting to happen. सेकेंड लेग में कुछ ऐसा होने वाला था जो एटलेटिको फैंस ने सपने में भी नहीं सोचा होगा. इट्स अ फेमस सेइंग, देयर वाज वन प्लेयर इन द हिस्ट्री हु वॉक दैट टॉक, जो इंटरव्यू में जाके काड़ मारता था और पिच पे उसको जस्टिफाई करता था, एंड दैट वाज क्रिस्टियानो रोनाल्डो dos Santos. He wanted to show why he is called the father of Atletico Madrid. stadium packed, torches out. The hopes of Juventus fans were just relied on one man who had that number 7 back on his jersey. Either it was gonna be a redemption or it was gonna be a grave, and the whistle blew. The match started. First half में in the 27th minute, lightning cross from Bernardeschi, and CR7 as always leaps in the air and bangs that goal. 27th minute, Juventus were 1-0 up. The fear in fans of Atletico began to rise, and hopes of Juventus fans were also on the rise. First half में Juventus came so close after that goal, but they couldn't put it through. First half में the score was 1-0. They had to score 2 more to go through, and Atletico were not letting it happen. They put in everything they should. भाई उन्होंने मेरे गाड़ी जाके पार्क कर दी थी उधर, पार्क द बस. They did everything in their hand to stop Juventus. Second half just begins. In the 49th minute, it deflects by the goalkeeper's hand and it went through. The alliance exploded. The fans of Juventus roared, and this time also it was Ronaldo. Ronaldo was like a man in a mission. Now it was like a clean sheet of paper. अब जो मारेगा वो जीतेगा. And now the all moment we all been waiting for. पूरा हाफ बीत चुका था. We thought the match was going in extra time. Minute 86th, Federico Bernardeschi drives the ball inside, and a reckless tackle by Atletico's defender. Bernardeschi goes down. It's a penalty. To take that penalty, the only one man. The stadium froze. One ball, one chance, one goal.
And put Juve in front. Is it ever in doubt? The man of the moment.
Atletico ने जो प्लान किया था सब पे खड़े खड़े मुंह दिया क्रिस्टियानो रोनाल्डो ने. And you know, there is a famous law of Newton. हमारे बाबा न्यूटन. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction.
See the earrings on her. Yeah.
Oh, jeez.
I think I know who that was directed at. Diego.
These are making.
If you have guts to show it, then you should have balls to accept it back. You never mock the storm, because when it arrives, you just need to get on your feet and pray to God that doesn't kill you. And lastly, I'll just say one thing. The victory of Atletico was sweet. The revenge of Cristiano Ronaldo was sweeter. Thanks for watching the first episode of Tales of Comeback. I'm so glad you watched till the end. If you enjoyed the episode, please like, share, subscribe. And I know currently also there are many flaws in this. Time it goes, we will grow, I will grow, I will improve. That's my guarantee to you. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. It could be a Tales of Comeback series second episode or something related to current transfer market. Stay tuned. Bye bye. Thank you.